Hello. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through the setup for duct cleaning from A to Z, everything you need to know to get this set up. So what you want to do is you want to come into your ad account and then select create, leads, continue, manual leads campaign. You can name this whatever you want. What would typically would like to name it is the name of your company. So duct cleaning Raleigh. And then where you're targeting. If you're targeting Raleigh or if you're targeting a bigger zip code or area, you can enter that here. In this case, I'll just put Raleigh. From there, I'm going to turn this off. Next, new ad set. Changes to Advantage Plus because that's what we're going to be using. And then we're going to change this to open, actually. And the amount of spend we're going to be doing. In this case, I recommend 2 ad sets at $12.50 per. So this will be $12.50. We're gonna choose instant forms. You're gonna choose the name of your company. Let's do digitize deals. You're gonna come down here. You're gonna select $12.50. Because we're targeting Raleigh, we have to change our location. Raleigh, North Carolina. Now, if you're looking to target 25 miles around Raleigh, you can leave this the same. But what we can do is start with the city alone. It should be big enough, ideally between 250 and 500, a minimum of 250,000 people. If it is less than that, you might struggle to reach enough people to generate the volume that you're looking for, and the cost per lead might be on the higher end. Okay, from there, we're gonna leave this the same. We're gonna switch Advantage Plus placement, edit, manual placement, and we're gonna turn all of these off. Facebook feed, Instagram feed, turn this off. Facebook Reels and Instagram Reels, and then we're gonna turn everything else off. Okay, now we're gonna select next. You can use a creative for this. If it is a video, I typically would just put video 1. If it's an image, you can put image 1. You can come down here. You can turn this off. Create a form. Duct cleaning. Ideally, you want to select higher intent. And the reason for that is you want higher quality leads. It's better to get higher quality leads than more volume. We're going to turn this off. Next. I'm going to pause this. From there, we want to enter the headline. So in this case, ready to breathe clean, fresh air. Tell us the best way to reach you to lock in your $99 air duct cleaning today. We can text, call, whichever you prefer. From there, we select next. And we want to ask questions to qualify the lead. We don't just want to leave it arbitrary or blank. So in order to do that, you're going to ask a short answer question. What is the scope of your project? What is your timeline? And then now You have the option to ask what your budget is, but for something that is already $99 and on the lower end, I don't think it's necessary for this service. If you have a service that was three, four, five, six, $7,000, then I would recommend you ask what is your budget. Sometimes you can even make it a multiple choice question and say, is your budget 2 to 3,000, 3 to 5,000, five plus, etc. And then from there, let's see, you can say we'll use your contact details to send you the free quote. Email, full name, phone number. You want your address and your zip code. I would select this so it's not optional. From there, we can select next. Now, for the privacy policy, if you don't have a website with a privacy policy, what you can do is you can create a privacy policy on a Google Doc and then share it here. For example, and if you have access to softwares like ChatGPT or Claude or Grok, those tools can help you come up with um, a privacy policy relatively quickly. The privacy. So I'm gonna pull this here. Privacy policy for dog cleaning in Raleigh, North Carolina. And then from there, you can copy all of this, paste it here, and then you want to make sure you enter your actual business phone number, your business email address, your company name, and then you want to edit this as well. And then you're going to select share with others. Anyone with the link can view, and then come back to your ad campaign, and then you can paste that here. And then going to go to review screen, and then now for this, what I like to do is add the call tracking phone number that you will use. Now, if you don't have a call tracking phone number, you can use your personal phone number and put wait. We're almost done. You can call now to schedule a free estimate, or one of our experts will call you soon. Call business. You can put 123-456-780. Write your actual phone number, and then you can put call now here and create the form. In this case, let me put an actual phone number 601-256, and create form. Now we have that. Now, since we have the form created, now we want to do is create the actual creative. So from there, we'll be using the video ad, upload, after you've chosen your video, what you want to do is now pull up your ad copy. In this case, Raleigh homeowners, $99 air duct cleaning. We have the special offer. Tired of dust allergies and higher energy bills? Running a limited $99 special for air duct cleaning, but only for the first 15 homeowners will book. And this is a scarcity. What's included for just $99? Now, the benefits, why homeowners love this, and then don't wait, spots are filling fast, the urgency. So once the deal is gone, it's gone. So this has the scarcity, urgency, and the special offer. And then for the headline, we can put $99 air duct cleaning. And then you can either use book now or learn more, because this says tap below and book your $99 cleaning today. I would put book now. But again, this is where you have to test different variations to see what works best. So if this is working well, keep it. If this isn't working as well, you might want to test out, learn more. And then next, you can turn all of these off. And I used the video from the ad library from the video I made earlier for this ad. And then I modified the best ads that I saw to include scarcity and urgency apart from just the special offer. Now that we have the form and we have the ad copy and creative, this ad is ready to run. However, I recommend creating more, having more creatives. Now, another creative that you can test out if you have access to tools like Canva is to have a really bright red image and then call out homeowners get $99 air dog cleaning, because that's a scroll stopper. If you have something like that, you're more likely to get people to stop, read your ad, and fill out their information. And how you do that is you duplicate this, and then this would be image one. So something like this would work well. It's bright, it's big, it's bold, and it gets straight to the point. So $99 special for air dog cleaning. And I'm gonna download this. And then we can go back to the ad campaign. Come down, you can delete this. Add image. And once you've uploaded the image, you can turn this off. Make sure you turn this off. And the reason for that is it's gonna skew the images based on where it is when you're running the ad. So once you turn that off, select next, and then next. Make sure this is all of this are turned off. Don't want music. Turn off image animation, and then done. Now we have two creatives. Now because this is an ad set, and you can tell which one is an ad set based on the squares, right? This is a campaign. This is an ad set. These are the ads, which we have the creatives and the ad copy. This is where we make changes to the location, um, the the Facebook page that you have, as well as targeting. So what? Because we're spending $12.50 here, and we want to spend $25 a day, we're gonna duplicate this twice. And the reason we're doing it this way is so that Facebook can use its AI to target the right people to bring in the types of leads that you're looking for. The way I labeled that is I put this as 2, double check this, make sure we target in the right locations, and we want to make sure we turn this off. Because if that is on, what happens is it starts to push the ads to people that are out of your area. And there we can publish this. And here's the ad campaign. So this is the campaign level. If you click here, this is the ad set level where you're spending $12.50 per ad set. And then if you click both, these are the ad campaigns, which will have the creatives and your videos. Now, the processing takes about anywhere from 5 minutes all the way to a couple of hours. But once that is live, it will take about 24 to 48 hours to start getting leads, as long as your credit card payment doesn't fail and the ads are set up properly. If you don't get any lead within the 24 to 48 hours, then something needs to change when it comes to the creative that we're running or the ad copy that we're running. Once that is done, what we now need to do is hook it up to so that you can get email notifications. And in order to do that, we're going to use our tool Vertex, which you will have access to. And in Vertex, in order to set this up, I'm going to pause this.